All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you doing out there? Thanks for joining us this morning. All right, Marcia, good morning. God bless you. Awesome. Elnor, good morning. Mukhtar, good morning. Dr. Hanson, Dr. Jeff, good morning, guys. Awesome. Here in the saddle here, trying to get rolling this morning. I got a couple of hits under my belt already. I had the scalper out of the gate. Made a nice couple trades, and by the time I snatched it, I caught the bad end of the deal. All right, Vincent, good morning. Welcome aboard, guys. Hope everything's working out over there okay. All right, Marcia made some good time cash this morning. Look at that. Way to go, Marcia. 200, 285, 690. Boom, baby. Shakalaka. All right, Roller P, good morning. I gotta get back on my feet here. I had the scalper come out of the gate with a couple of really nice trades, and then I went ahead and put her to work and took a couple of losers for me. We got Steven here coming up the leaderboard. Boy, Steven. Uh-oh, could be a Steven day. I put the bot on my account, but looks like it's not trading right now, so I'll have to switch it up here. This is the Steven bot and the Steven drone. They're hot right now. Beautiful trade right here. Here we go. We'll get this one out of the way and we'll put our Steven drone on our account. See if we can catch one of these rabbits here. So I popped the Steven drone on my account. See if I can get him to climb back here. Let me run this government disclaimer by here real quick. So any trading signals, opportunities that I show either electronically or verbally are for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team, we take no responsibility for any trade wins or losses that you might take. And me or my team, we're not financial advisors. We're traders, and we try to develop trading software and trading strategies that make us money in the market. So that's what we're up to today. All right, it jumped in when I was away there. Can't pull a rabbit out of the hat here. Using Signal C right here. Dr. Hanson, you got to get this one. Signal C is pretty hot. It's a nice entry. It's the oscillator entry right here. It works off this RSI going in between the 50, basically, in between, balance. Works on trying to find balance. Steven drone coming out hot. Got the runner here coming out hot too. I'm in that trade on my live account too, running the runner. We got some really hot strategies right now. I wanted to share those with you guys. Super hot. Robert's ES Star has absolutely been crushing it. So I want to share that with you guys. That one is that one's on fire. Okay, pull a little nugget back there. We got a little fire alarm here in my condo, fire alarm testing week. So they'll be coming on here. I'll just mute here. Gracias. I live down here in Miami Beach, baby. Woo! It's awesome around here. It's very diverse. It's so unique. There's little communities of different cultures. So, like, there's Peruvian or Venezuelan or could be who knows where, Colombia. But anyway, even Ukraine, Russia, just up here in Sunny Isles, everywhere. Big community. Jewish people up the road here, North Myrtle Beach. So it's really amazing, the community here. Very diverse down here. Here we go. We're running the NQ this morning, and it is hot. HOT, baby. HOT right here. Come on. Tap the toe one time for us. Oh, baby. We got to go get this one. We can't let that one slip away. Whew. Sheesh. Look at that thing roll. Woo. I saw that big buy up this morning. I thought for sure we were continuing up. Boy, was I wrong. 360, baby. Oh, Steven Drone running up the score quickly here. Steven Drone ran up 52.89 on August 2nd, live right here on YouTube. I was trading it on prop accounts like I am now. Oh, shorty. Woo, Signal C caught her right there and ran her down. If I could have been patient enough, I would have took the full trade. Here we go. Ain't giving up yet. Woo! Shit. Woo, look at the star drone. Oh, baby. Oh, I'm up $1,000. Yes. Woo! Boy, I tell you, that ES star, what a beautiful strategy. That thing is amazing. Holy moly. I'm going to show you guys the trade performance on that. That is unbelievable. Robert shared it with us too. Thank you, Robert. Hope you're out there this morning, Robert. Robert's pulled in, I can't remember, 27,000 so far from it. He shared that with us, so we appreciate that, Robert. Big time. I'm using it on my live account right now. It's up $1,000. Might be able to bring that down here. Oh, Signal C caught that move big time. Big time. Boom. Entry. First target. Exit on line change. Boom. Entry. Where's first target? Let's see. Okay, first target's right there. Second target. Boom. Entry. First target. Exit on line change. Entry. The one I gave up on. I'd almost got there. Holy moly. For us to enter a trade again with this this strategy, we're waiting for this this number right here that's like 36, 37, 38 right here. The pink one, we're waiting for that to climb above the 50 and then drop back down. If you notice right here, it climbed back above the 50, this little blue line. And then as it dropped back down, that's the entry, almost like a trigger, like a pulling one of those 18-wheelers. Right there when it pulls that one down, across that 50, or even up. the opposite way up if we have like this 50, if that would have been green. Then going up, it would take the entry. NQ trying to find a home here. ES star up 1200. Steven drone up 1600 out of the gate. 945. Hasn't quite hit 10 yet. About 15 minutes of trading. All right, 250 on the M&Q. Way to go, Rory Powers. How many contracts you trading, Rory, on the M&Q? Got head fake there one time. Getting relative weakness here, so we're starting to get a little bit of a flutter here. That last one dropped below, but we have a little bit of a tight stop here. We don't want to give away too much when we jump in. Okay, what am I got here? 82 and 83. 82 and 83. Okay, that one quickly went down and got it. Got that first target. Moved our stop to break even on the second one here. Kind of gives you a little bit of a window to work in. We've got an exit on line change programmed. Got support down here. We got a $200 bill coming back on us. Looking at 100. NQ's trying to hold 650 here. A little bit of a flutter. There it goes. Got a small trade. $100 bill. That was an exit on line change, took us out of that trade. NQ's trying to find a home here. Signal B on the 15 just jumped in. Okay, trying to find a home here. Looks like 650 is going to hold up on the NQ. I want to show you the trade performance for the ES Star. Been a darling since Robert put it in the Discord. Man, woo, game changer. And we hope that we don't give ourselves bad mojo when we do this. Close at profit and loss. Oh, Steven made its goal for the day. Steven's out. Steven packed it up to go and doing a victory lap. We got it set for once it goes over 1500, it shuts down for the day. But we're going to keep it rolling here. We're going to, for demonstrational and educational purposes only, we're going to go ahead and restart it. See if we can run that thing up and run it up and beat a record today. Doesn't feel like record-setting day though. Oh, Steven. Oh, Steven, I saw you were here this morning. Steven Aldridge, good morning.
Order submitted.
Oh, Rue is back. Rue, what's happening? 7,000? Holy moly, that's a nugget, boy. That's a keeper.
Order submitted.
Those are game changers. Okay, looks like we jumped in here. Steven's doing a little bit of a flutter. Trying to hit that 650. I'm right on it. First target.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. This one don't look good for the home team. Oh boy, this is painful. Ow! Shakalaka. Needed that, big dog. All right, here we go. We got support here we're working with. You know, if you're trying to trade your live account, you may want to just grab that and snatch it and just take what you get out of this one. But you know, we're running a strategy that we have built on purpose with a 3-to-1 risk to reward. So we're trying to let her run down. That's the way you make money trading. Risk to reward. That's the only way. You're going to take some losers. You definitely will take losers.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. What happened there?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I wonder if there's a faster way.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, jump back in here. Got the Steven drone trying to go full speed ahead here. Oh, Steven pulled in 5 grand one day. hard trading around these even numbers like this. They're around the 650, 670, even numbers. Right on the dot. Hard to trade on them.
Order filled.
Which way we going today, guys? Up or down? Put it in the chat. NQ going up or down today? Click support, build it on us here. About to get trapped.
Order
Ah! That was a big one. Boy, the orders are flowing for 650. Oh, baby. Woo! Old pressure cooker. Running old pressure cooker right there. Here she goes, coming out hot, signal C. Come on, unbuild that support one time for us. Unwind this one time. Make it zing, baby. Make the tension squeal. Got a $300 bill here. Trying to get a $600 bill. Halfway home. Coming back on us. Support's looking good there at 640. Coming out hot on the NQ. Running it down here out of the AI Auto Trader.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Caught a green candle.
Order filled.
We got a green candle here. Looking at NVIDIA, 144, down a little nudge, couple of bucks. Lost a couple of bucks last night. Did I hear that the NVIDIA moved?
Submitted.
Moved indexes? Does anybody know the backstory? Maybe Duke? Anybody?
Order
NVIDIA still trading on the NQ? I don't know where I read that or heard that. It might have been just a chat somewhere. Someone said, "Why are you looking at the NQ? It doesn't even have NVIDIA in it anymore." I said, "Huh?" Here we go. We got a $400 trade going on here, trying to get to 6. Trying to get to 6 here. Holding 630. No, it ain't. 630 dropped out quickly. That's rare. Come on, $600 bill one time for the strategy. Oh, Steven. Oh, Steven's up $2,500. Yeah, baby. We are rocking and rolling again. The ES Star is back in on the move. ES Star is back in on the move. Boom shakalaka. We're in on both of them. Oh, Star Drone. Woo-wee. Here we go. Ooh, got a lot of them there. Let the big dog eat. Tell you, we got some hot strategies here. Boy, I'll tell you, that ES Star and this runner. I'm going to share this with the community on Friday. This runner has been super hot. Working with that velocity filter. So this one has the velocity filter engaged on the 2 minute. It's looking for a 2 minute candle at 100 ticks. So it doesn't take many, well, it does take more trades than I thought. It takes, we'll take a look at the data. This bad boy has made a lot of money. I'm trading it with my live account and the ES Star today. Those two are the ones that I've got enabled on my, let me make sure. The runner and the star. I was running the gold scalper, but that one got a little bit loose on me. Not quite ready. It's close. Ran up 2,000 last night, but when I started trading it, it slowed down. Nice recovery on the NQ right there. Good recovery. We'll see if this is a bear flag. Oh, Steven caught it coming down. Oh, bear flag. Had nothing to do with that one. Risk off the table. Made a $100 bill.
Order filled.
Working the 620s.
Order submitted.
$300 bill here on the board. The big board. Hey, Phil, good morning. Phil, I'm running the Steven drone. Let me open that up a little bit bigger for you. You can tell what strategy I'm running right here by this account. This is the Steven drone. It's an 8 uni, signal C. So we come in hot right here off the RSI, off this oscillator. RSI drops down below the 50, like right at the middle of balance. She jumps in hot for us, and she goes to work. And we've got a couple other things, at play here. And we've got the exit on line change, so we're now attached to this little dashed line that's following here. And if that thing goes to yellow, we're outie. We're heading for the hills. We're going to hold tight here, though. We're trying to get a $600 bill here on the board. Oh, Steven drone. This is the one right here, Phil. Old Steven dropped a bombzilla on a Friday, August 2nd, pulled in $5,200 here. So we might get to see that exit line change right now here. This price continues to push up a little bit higher. We were out. Yeah, we're going to hit the road here. Oh, I don't know. We'll see if 600 is going to be the floor today. 20,600 might be the floor. All right, Marcia. What? Marcia pulled in $2,000 today. Let's go. Congratulations, Marcia. That's awesome. Woo! Come on, baby. Hit us one time here. Oh, baby. One time for a 602. Oh, we got some of them. Oh, did you see some of those closed? Oh, boy, we got some of them filled. Our sim account didn't get filled. Oh, let's show you guys that, where we get the same trades. Wow, look at that. Sim account did not get filled. Unbelievable. But we did with our Apex a little sooner. That was close. Wow, that was awesome. All right, Stevens pulled in a $3,000 bill, baby. Ow! Oh, let me see here. What do I want to do? We'll duplicate this guy. No, I've got another one already built. Oh boy, we got a meltdown. We have an official meltdown here. Whew. Man, it's going to be hardcore on the 401k today, fellas. Whew. Sheesh. Oh. Ouch. Oh, Steven. We're in again.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Whew. How about this meltdown? Not liking this too much. Making some good money one way, but getting crushed on our 401ks today.
Order filled.
That's why you need the balance here. The balance of power. You gotta be able to play the short trade. That's the only way to break even in the markets. Gotta play the short trade. No such thing in a stock. I don't think there is. So over on the right, I've got an Apex account. We can take a look at the entries. On the left, I've got the sim account that I'm running. It's right here. It's the Steven Drone. It's the account right here, Steven Drone. And it's a little bit of a puzzle, but the way we put the puzzle together is Steven Drone is over here. The Steven Drone strategy is trading to the Steven Drone account. We're using the Steven Drone strategy to trade to our Apex accounts. right here. All these little green dots are live action. You can see the numbers of the P&L right in there. And we can take a look at the entries. The entries are very similar, if not identical. So here we got filled at 567.5 and Sim got filled at 567.5. Exactly the same. Look like we picked off a $100 bill on that trade. That's what the old Steven does. Oh, Steven, reach in there and grab a $100 bill out of your wallet. You won't even know it. Oh boy. Wish we could have held on for just a little longer. Take a look at the performance so far today. Pretty good turnout. I started out a little rough. I was 1,000 in the hole. She came out strong here. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we got 10 at 1,000. That's $10,000. 2 losers so far. Oh, it changes quick though, folks. It's a moving target here. Well, let's keep her rolling. See if we can climb up the big board today. Right line funding is alive and well. Everything's a go. We're all going. It's all good. We're working on the software starting real soon. Gonna meet with their team hopefully in a couple of days. Getting ready to roll here. Give our own prop funding accounts. Looking forward to setting up the contests and the challenges. I'd like to take some people in the ring. Let's go. All right. Come on, baby.
Order filled.
Oops, I'm looking a little bit shabby here on the screen. There we go. All right, we got live action here. Letting the auto trader just work for us. I'm just hanging out, chatting. We got Steven up here. Oh, Steven drone. We're running up the leaderboard. Plus, oh boy, what a day. What a day. We got them all up on the leaderboard. Oh, Steven, numero uno, dropped in here. We just dropped in. Uh-oh. Woo. Boy, that thing came up on us hot. Trying to punch a ticket here. Boom, baby, punch a ticket. Ah, look, we caught it on one. See, that's the big difference. Look at that. Boom. Sim account jumped in a little bit late on that one. You can see we hit the trigger on the Apex account. We must have been a little late. Yeah, look at that. 2 ticks. There's what 2 ticks do. We jumped in at 34 on this one. And this one was 33.5, so 2 ticks of difference. Oh, it ended up with the same results, I think. Ended with the same results after all. But that's what happens in trading here. We trade contracts, so you get filled whatever the pit boss fills you at. Is it a pit boss? I have no idea. I have no idea. That's what they call them. Here we go. We got Steven running up the leaderboard. We got number 2 here, the runner. And then this one, oh, faithful, the ES star, baby. $2,400 again. Okay, Signal C jumped in again. Felt the relative weakness here in the market on the NQ. Relative weakness here. Might have got head faked into this one. Been building some good support for a little while. It's probably not the best one to be in. We'll see. Woo. Oh, Signal C here. We're running Steven, the Steven drone. Trying to pull a rabbit out of the hat here. NQ's trying to hold on to this 530 mark. Trying to hold on to that 530. Oh, baby, tiptoe in, will you, one time for us?
Order filled.
All right. Little nugget, little nug. Got a little nug there. Got a lot of support here. A lot of support here. 3 lines coming in. 3 support lines coming through.
Order filled.
Okay, we snatched another little bit of change out of the back pocket of that one there. Creeping up the leaderboard here. Oh boy, I must have a beauty ES star trade going. Up 912. 900. Woo! That's my go-to for the live account. These two right now, the runner and the star. Let me show you guys something special. This is really unbelievable. I don't think I've ever seen a strategy come in to play and have this kind of production. And I'm probably going to give it bad mojo now, but it's what I need to do to share whatever I can learn with you guys, so you guys can improve your performance as quick as possible. So Robert shared this with us. This is a funny story. So Sergio created this strategy on the NQ. We were trying to develop some new triggers, and so we just set some standard settings, 100, 100 on the NQ. We were working with the strategy. It was actually the NQ Signal ABC Smart Stop 2. So that's the one we were messing with. Anyway, we gave it to Charles. Charles gave it to Robert. Robert took it. When Robert loaded it, he had it loaded on the ES by accident. He was running it, and he was like, "Man, this thing's awesome." Shared it back with us, and this is the ES star that he shared back with us, that kind of like we shared with him. But the results here are unbelievable. This thing, okay, so today is the 20th. Let's
Order submitted.
so when I got this on the 5th, I put it on. I made 2,400 that day. The next day it made 12. Next day it made 100. 7, it lost 1,800. 8. This thing is on an absolute tear. It's up almost 11,000 after trading it for like 10 days. This is the one to trade. This is the one I got on my live account up here. I'm $1,100 on this trade right now. 1150. Oh, yes. Woo! We're making some big money. Awesome. Oh, baby. That thing's been hot. Oh, thanks, Dr. Hansen. I've had some bosses in my career. I used to give presentations and those kind of things, and they would always, say, "Oh, hey, good job, way to go, awesome." All right, we got a $1,400 bill here. We'll see if old Steven's going to take one more swing. It's running at $3,600 right now. The big board, it's up at $5,289 though. Woo! Got a little bit of work to do. Found the relative weakness here. Jumped in at about 5.15.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, the NQ is pushing around the 20,500 mark, right in the middle there. What a big steep drop off today since 9:30. Woo. 700, 500, lost a couple hundred points so far.
Order
Oh boy, we ain't done yet. Man. Woo.
order filled.
Someone plugged the hole. Oh boy, the NQ8U runner is in again. Let me show you the performance on this thing. Woo, man. Now this one I've had running a little while. This one here. I wanted to show you the bot too, real quick. So this is the ES Star bot. So the bot takes like one trade a day. Look, one trade, two trades, one trade a day. It's at $7,500 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days of trading. It's had three little blips, and all the rest have just been, there's about a break even, but a couple of just monster days. Which helped that thing propel it up to $7,500 after 10 days of trading. So that's that ES 30 range star, the bot. Here's the drone. The drone's at almost 12,000. Check out this runner. So this one has the velocity filter in it. I run it all the time. Let me look at this thing for a month.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Check out this sucker. I bet it's up about 10 grand now.
Order filled. Order filled.
This thing's up 11,100 bucks over the last about a month and a half. It's at 11,000. It's up 3,000 today. I share this one with the community on Friday when we meet. What an awesome strategy. This one has the velocity filter in on it. Oh, looked like we took a loser there. That thing's a beauty. Okay, hopefully 500 holds here on the NQ, 20,500. Got a short trade again.
Order submitted.
Trying to push through the 500 one more time. I don't think we're going to do it though. I think it's going to hold this time. I think we're going up. All right, so we caught the 50 right in the middle there, where we don't know if we're going up or down. Oh boy. Yeah, we're not going to do that. Let's not do that. We don't want to get yo-yoed here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Let's sit this one out for a second. Oh boy. Maybe should have participated. Darn it. Good one, George. That's a truth. Elevator down, escalator up. It's almost like a slide down, escalator up, maybe. You know, it rips down. Boy, it rips. Going up is like chung 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 chung. All right, we're gonna jump back in on the next one here. We're hot enough. The market's hot enough here. I didn't want to get chopped up here, but it might. I still might. See if the market's hot enough. Okay, we hung in there. We caught one little nugget, little nug. I think we're getting a little weak though. Okay, old Steven Drone's up $3,000. It's trying to hold on here. Old Steven Drone right here in the middle of the board made it up to $5,200 one morning on a Friday. Live action right here on YouTube. Old Steven is just a signal C entry, so it lives right in this little oscillator down here. So first alignment is we got to have this this solid line right here. You know, if we're going to take a long trade, it has to be green. If we're going to take a short trade, it has to be red. You can see it took that long trade right there. As soon as this this little dotted line down here dropped below this blue line, jumped back out. It took the entry, had everything else, the other confluence of indicators in alignment. Jumped in hardcore, and then it caught that little flutter there. So here we go again. See, our little oscillator was dropping, popped up above the 50. That's the entry, and we're trying to follow through now. See if we get some follow through. Kurt, no idea. We'll have to check the parameters. Would be the first place that I would look, so we can go check the spreadsheet, make sure that we're all in alignment. I do the full R&D here on this machine, so I could be could be using some potentially different settings. Usually I look at the strategy results at the end of the week, and then try to improve these strategies as we go. So there is a slight chance that we could be a little different, but we'll take a look. Okay, we caught a little another nugget. Kurt, how's your ES star? Is that negative? It would be the ES30R signal ABC star drone.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, awesome. We're tracking there. I'll tell you, the ES usually typically tracks, closer than the NQ. The NQ can sometimes get really squirrely on the way the results line up, and really due to the slippage. And we can see slippage here in action. So that's what we attribute it to. That's why we do an average at the end of the week, because it's really sometimes really surprising how far some of them are off from each other, but directionally it's usually somewhat directionally accurate. That's what I like to say. I'm down on the star right now. Yep, we're down a little bit here. 250. Oh boy, come on. Whew. Go ahead, push pause again. We'll let this thing sort itself out here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
We found the relative strength. Right here is the pinion. This is the clevis in the pinion right here. Locked in tight. 520.
Order filled. Order filled.
I keep chickening out on the good trades. Oh, Jesus. Son of a gun. Oh, boy. I sat that one out. Oh, why'd you sit that one out, man? Jeez. That'll make you crazy. Oh, boy. I sat that one out. Not sure why. Didn't see that coming.
Order submitted.
Yeah. Yeah, George, we do. We do. Those are the. In fact, I just built the landing page last night. That's why I was looking. Those three I put on our landing page. Those are my three best on my machine right now. Caught the exit on line change. You guys think we should jump back in now, or we miss it all? Oh man, how funny is that? All right, we're back in. George, we've got a webinar Friday afternoon. We're doing a joint webinar with our friends over at 10-Minute Trades, and Rory will give the presentation on the AI AutoTrader here, and we'll show some of the recent results, and you'll see exactly what we're showing here today, which is awesome. Totally transparent. Getting crushed on my ES star now. I told you guys, once you start running your mouth, and my parents always taught me that, like, be humble. But in this, we need to share this information, so we just have to take the beating after it comes. But the ES star is down a little bit on this trade. So it kind of caught this wave. It's still trying to go short the ES, and now we're having this this big rally to the upside. So it's basically caught upside down right now. We'll see if the rally will hold in the NQ here. We hope so. Let's make a beautiful smiley face today. That's when we make all the money here in the NQ. Those big smiley faces. Okay, so we're set up now. We're set up for an entry. We're down here below the 50 on this this oscillator. The relative strength is being measured right here by this little indicator. We're down here in the 30s, the 40s. We're waiting for this entry to pop back up through with enough force to give us that entry. Now we do have some protections in here of indicators trying to prevent us from, you know, banging our head against the wall. We've got we got to make sure we got room between price and we call this a support line up here. There's resistance. So we got this resistance line up here that we're trying to make sure we have enough room between our entry and the last rejection of price. So we'll so that one had enough room there. Just barely.
Order filled.
I'm going to hang in there for a couple this time. I'm not going to go sit on the bench yet. I missed a beauty last time I did that. Absolute beauty. Did you see price shoot up on me? Yeah, what about the ODP? Let's do an ODP. How about that? That's the quickest way to pass these Apex accounts. We're running not quite 50 probably, but somewhere in between 30 and 60% on the ODPs typically. The market is good for an ODP too. That one's our NQ30 range.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I just modify the time a little bit to make sure we can jump in the trade.
Order filled.
Okay, oh, Steven jumped in here. Trying to hold on to a $100 bill here. Got some resistance we got to push through. Try to hold that 570. We loaded the ODP, baby. I'm upside down on that ES trade now. Still up 1,600 though for the day. Here we go, hot market.
Order filled.
Come on, old Steven. Climb that ladder, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, baby, that was close. Oh, my goodness, that was close. Damn, that was close. Woo! Coming in hot. Woo! Big trade. Woo! Awesome. Got back a nug. Man, I hate that I sat that other good one out. Dang it. Could have been back up to 1,000.
Order filled.
Beauty trade.
Order filled.
Old Steven's trying to run up the leaderboard here. I got a few more minutes to get her done. Come on, baby. Well, I hate that I only got about 400 of this 3,000.
Order submitted.
Oh, baby. Oh, shit.
Order filled.
Steven hit its $4,000 P&L for the day. Oh, man. Took us out of that trade, though. Ooh. Took us out of that trade with the close of its... oh, shit. Sorry. Let's go ahead and rearm it. Gotta wake it back up. It went to sleep. It said, I've done enough for you. How much more do you want me to do?
Order filled.
So we gotta disable it, resets it, and now you re-enable it, starts at 0 again. Okay, the ES trade's coming back a little bit.
Order filled.
I'll tell you what, Stephen Aldridge, he's our member in the community who this is named after, and I'll tell you, he makes a darn ton of money with this one. He's put it in the chat several times. Stephen, are you out there? I saw you, and Steve was here earlier today in the chat. What a trader. Oh, Stephen. My Michigan man. Local boy. All right, let's go. Oh, no. One more push to the upside. This one don't look like it's got enough legs under it. True story. True story. You can't hide money. You can't hide it, Stephen. Ah, come on, baby. Hold there for us.
Order submitted.
Ugh, boy, the stress of this one, huh? How about this one?
Order submitted.
Come on. Woo! 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 I wouldn't have took that trade. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh my goodness, Marcia. 1650. Holy moly, Patrick Weiland, watch out. Marcia is coming to get you. Way to go, Marcia. Holy moly. You and Rue. I can't wait to get this leaderboard here where we can share. Oh, and Steven. There he is. Up 1488, baby. High five. Boom. Shakalaka. How about that? That's awesome. Everybody making money, having fun here. RLT community. Let's go check out the Discord, see what's happening in the world. All right, 200 people online right now. Thank you so much for sharing all your information. Truly appreciate it. Down here, dropped in the GC scalper. Steve, thanks again. Steve, if you're out there, appreciate you, being part of the member of our community. Valued member, really appreciate it. Dropped in the strategy settings for the gold scalper. It made $2,000 last night. Old gold scalper. We got a $400 bill here in this trade. Coming back on me. Coming back to 3. And we got a $500 bill now. Come on, baby. Trying to get 6. NQ's trying to hold on to 20,600. Blew right through it like it was... Ooh. Oh. It was like a hot knife and warm butter there for a second. We were looking good for a split second. We've got our stop here locked in for us. Oh, Kurt needs some TLC out there. Oh, Charles, he'll give you a hand. Let him jump on that machine. He'll dial it in for you. Appreciate you, Charles, out there. Thank you. Rory, the same. Thank you, Rory. Oh boy, those guys get great reviews. Really appreciate both of them. Woo! Boom, baby. Clicked it. And we're off. Boy, I missed some beauties. We're up $4,700 on the Steven drone. Holy moly. It might push around the 5,289 mark today. Holy moly. Setting records here at our Right Line Trading. RLT, baby. Nice pull on the Apex accounts. 2 dogs. 2 dogs and 10 stallions. Might be 11 or 12 there. We got the ODP locked in too here, Right Line Trading. No muss, no fuss, makes trading easy. I was looking for it before I bought the company. I was big time trading with my phone, trying to do momentum trades with pharmaceuticals. Well, whatever was flying off the hook for the day. Still am. I love momentum. You can't beat it. Whew. Sharply down across the board. You can't survive today in the green. Here we are. We hit our all-time high a couple of days ago right here online, 21,340. We were going to the moon. I know we were all heading there. We did a U-turn. We're off about 1%, 200 points so far. We're clawing back here, though. Morning, Ronald. Thanks for joining us. Appreciate that. If you don't own our software yet, come on aboard. Give us a look. It's a hot system, risk and reward. It can go down quick, but if you kind of follow the methodology, what's hot, I trade what's hot and not what's not. That's a fool's game to try to trade what's getting crushed, because we have several getting crushed every day. Gotta trade the hot ones. That means the market's matching the strategy. The Steven drone is the HOT one today for me. My phone just rang and it says Hickson, North Dakota. Actually, I went to North Dakota one time. I think I drove through North Dakota to get to South Dakota, to Mount Rushmore. That was a really cool visit. And then seeing the prairie dogs, those were neat. Those were fun to see. Real life prairie dogs. They got Trump on Mount Rushmore yet? I'm pretty sure he'll have it up there by the time he's done this time. Pretty sure. I'm almost sure that's happening. I don't guarantee there's some sort of bill already going through the Senate right now. That's funny. Oh, man. Shoot. That hair, that sucker up there. Let's go. All right, I had a couple of good trades here. Caught a couple of nuggets. On the big board, we got skunked on a couple early. I was close on all of them though for a minute. We battled back. Oh, Steven snuck it out there. Reached in the back pocket when they weren't even looking. Gotta watch him. Okay, we're back in. Let's go, baby. Got about a few more minutes, and we're going to flip over to David Wise, our options trader. Oh boy, David delivers up some beauties. Another equity stream that's really, really popular. In fact, we give you 2 weeks of a free trial through text messages. So, boom, you'll catch them right on your phone. Let's see what I've got from David. Nothing today. Let me see. Yesterday. On Monday, made a nice debit spread on ROOT. I don't remember what the name of that is. That's the ticker, though. Someone out there might know. He made $1 profit on the trade. Yesterday sent out a buy on RDDT. Romeo Delta Delta Tango. Come in hot off some of those trades. He's on a roll. Old David Wise runs the Compass trading system. Making some cash for a lot of people. We send out his trades to over 300 people in text message. Now it's probably north of 350. I'm upside down on this trade still. we'll see if the NQ settles down. We might be able to recover out of that trade. That's what this strategy does here. It goes in the hole, but it recovers. It can take a whopping. We got our beautiful smiley face rolling here on the NQ. It's been the pattern for the last few trading days. Take a big sell-off right at the open and then kind of claw back throughout the day. The strategy's just waiting for all the confluence of indicators to line up one more time before it can jump in. It's being patient here. It knows that there's some potential resistance here, keeping it locked in here. So we just broke that. The rule in the software is that the candle has to break the support line by over 3/4 of the candle as it closes. So that constitutes a break. Now it opened up the opportunity. Again, we got to drop back down, catch below this little light blue line here, and then drive back up because we're green. So we got a little bit of work to do here in the market. Let it work itself out. Hey Guru, how's it going? Welcome aboard. I'm Mark Miller, the owner of Right Line Trading. This is the AI Auto Trader. Let me show you our website, and I'll show you. We call it the landing page, but the product page with the software. It's $4.99 a month. Let's see, got a great special on it right now, man. $4.99 a month. I just rolled up how much? $10,000 here, I think. I lost two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then a half. So yeah, about 10. About 10 grand here. The old Auto Trader just helping me out. It's my assistant bot, my trading bot right here. Let me show you the our home page. We own Right Line Trading, and we are opening Right Line Funding. I'm going to have funding accounts available for you as well. Right here's our webpage, and let me get rid of this. Sorry about that. Where's that little guy right here? Oh, Steven trying to be the star of the show here. Here's our trading systems. This one's the AI Auto Trader that you're watching. Very proud of the 4.7. Got an awesome team. Charles, Rory, Brock, Sergio, David, Craig. Everybody helping us out here. These are the strategies that have been crushing it lately. I just showed you on my trade performance. The exact numbers came right off my trade performance as of yesterday. In fact, this one is up 2,000 or so, 1,600, whatever it is today. We can go take a look. I'm running on my live account. Here's the runner. And then the bot. Those are our top three right now. Right down here it is. There's the action for you. All right, Priscilla is back. I heard that we had some back and forth. Way to go. I'm glad you're back. Thanks for joining us again. Oh, Carol, no problem. We can get you connected with Apex, no problem. It's that's right in Charles's wheelhouse. We have his calendar available for you if you're not familiar with it. Let me show you his calendar link. I pinned it. It's called pinning. I know that sounds like a stupid thing, but I've pinned it in the Problems and Solutions channel. So I pinned it right here in the Problems and Solutions channel on our Discord, our private Discord channel. If you go into that little pin that's up here, you can put different things. But anyway, his calendar is here. I think you just click on his name. And you go through this. And I think it's going to come up with his opportunities for him to jump on your machine and get you all set up there. So you can just drop in whatever's convenient for you, and he should be able to more than likely get you all set up, no problem. You're welcome. Hope to have you join us in here in the community there. We've got 200 members online right now. Priscilla's back. Priscilla, you were a member before, from what I remember, or you were with us with another piece of software. Thanks for joining us again. Appreciate it. Hope we can offer value here for you. That's our goal every day. Try to bring value to our community. In turn, you guys bring us tremendous value. So thank you. It's not a one-way street at all. Yeah, Christian, thank you for his compliment. Really gracious, man. What a great team member. He cares so much. It's like empathy is really amazing. So really grateful. Thank you. Okay, guys, it's 11 o'clock. We've had a heck of a run here today. Appreciate you joining us. Let me bring in this one more time. This text box. We might get a run for it today. We've got a $4,700 bill here, and we've got $52.89 on the board. So we're about a $600 bill, one trade away from potentially beating the world record for an auto trader, at least for us, here at Right Line Trading. Again, our realistic strategy is that we trade our own live accounts. This is no BS. This is real stuff, real money. In this case, I'm trading Apex evaluation accounts today. I've got my live account up here running on a NinjaTrader brokerage account. Running the right now, I'm running the ES Star and the NQ Signal A Runner. So those are the two that I trust today that I'm running on my live accounts. And then Steven here. I mean, the Steven bot just crushed it for me today. So those are the three that I've been leaning on lately to try to squeeze some equity out of the markets. Appreciate you guys joining us here at Right Line Trading. Dr. Hanson, thank you, sir. All right, you guys, have a great day and good luck trading. And we'll be back again on Friday. Tomorrow we'll have David Kushner, our prop trading expert. So he should be able to jump in the ring here tomorrow morning at 9:30 and give us some real rule-based trading from the money flow tracker. Really respect David. He's got a great methodology, knows how to use that money flow tracker software like nobody else. His methodology is bulletproof. So please join us again tomorrow, if not Friday, and maybe David Wise, if you got a minute to jump in and maybe catch an options trade and enjoy the ride. Appreciate everybody joining us. Have a great day. Bye, guys.